In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Godaddy Forwarding. Whether you're managing multiple domain names or simply need to redirect traffic to a different website, forwarding can be a crucial feature in your online toolkit. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to configure your domain settings for optimal forward functionality. Let's start by logging into your Godaddy account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Godaddy website. In the upper right corner, you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it, enter your account credentials, your username or customer number and password, and hit enter. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your account dashboard. Next, locate the My Products section. This is where all your domains and services are listed. Scroll through until you find the domain you want to set up forwarding for. Once you've identified the domain, click on DNS or Manage DNS next to it. This step will direct you to the DNS management page, which is the central hub for controlling how your domain behaves online. On the DNS management page, look out for the Forwarding section. It usually resides on the bottom of the page, beneath Record Management options. You'll notice a button or link that says Add. Clicking this will begin the process of setting up domain forwarding. A new section will unfold with a few fields requiring your attention. The first step here is to decide whether you're forwarding just the domain or the domain and its subdomains. Select the desired option based on your need. Then, enter the destination URL in the Forward to field. This is the web address where you want users to land after entering your domain name. Now it's time to choose a forwarding type. Generally, you have two options, Permanent 301 and Temporary 302. Select Permanent if you're sure this is a long-term change. Otherwise, choose Temporary for short-term redirects. This distinction affects how search engines treat your content, so pick carefully. Below that, pay attention to the Forward settings. You'll find options like Forward Only or Forward with Masking. If you select Forward Only, users will see the destination URL in their web browser. On the other hand, Forward with Masking keeps your original domain in the address bar but allows you to define a title, description, and keywords for SEO purposes. Once you've made these selections, the final step is a quick review. Double-check each field to confirm everything is correct. When satisfied, click the Save button. This action implements your forwarding configuration, and it might take a few minutes for the changes to propagate across Godaddy's servers. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up Godaddy Forwarding. Remember that while the changes are usually quick, it could take up to 48 hours to fully take effect worldwide. Thanks for watching today's video, and happy redirecting!